CyperGlow Serum is being promoted as a breakthrough solution that can slow or even stop unwanted hair regrowth within weeks. But the real question is whether it actually works or just sounds more powerful than it is. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. The serum uses Cyper's rotundus extract, which is claimed to weaken hair follicles and slow regrowth over time. However, here's the key point. Most of the strong claims come directly from a brand, not independent clinical evidence. There are some surface-level positives, designed to slow hair regrowth and make it finer with consistent use. Some users report softer, less visible hair after weeks of use, easy to apply as part of a regular grooming routine. But this is where expectations need to be realistic. The biggest issue is lack of strong proof. Claims like nearly invisible hair in weeks are based on internal data and testimonials. There's little independent research confirming long-term or dramatic hair reduction. Another concern is temporary versus permanent results. Even based on its own description, results require continuous daily use over months. IT does not permanently stop hair growth. From real user discussions, experiences are mixed. Used it for several weeks and saw no change. So, does CyperGlow stop hair regrowth in weeks? Short answer, no. It may help slow and soften regrowth over time, but it won't stop hair growth quickly or permanently. Bottom line, CyperGlow is a real product with a plausible concept, but the stop hair regrowth in weeks claim is exaggerated. It's more of a gradual cosmetic improvement tool, not a permanent solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.